Okay. Can I do the thing? Can I do the thing? Can I do the thing without you doing all this? Okay. Go be a Rottweiler. Come on. Go on, be a Rottweiler. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Go on. Go, 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 go. Thank you. Thank you. Anyways, like I was saying, just got back in the crib. No, that wasn't what I was saying. Can I do? I'm getting ready to. Okay. Hold on for 1 second. One more second. Now you gotta go. You stink. You stink. I don't want kisses. You stink. Okay, go on. What's going on, y'all? It's your guy, Rashad. Action Sports Bar and Grill out here in Kent, Washington. Giving you another shout. This is our second video release on our very first food truck build. On this visit, we head down to Portland to check in on the truck again. And to our surprise, we see a lot of progress. They got the fresh water tank in. They got the gray water tank has arrived. The hood has arrived. We've got the fan on the roof. It's kind of started to scratch the surface on the electrical and plumbing. So really good trip down. Bit of advice when it comes to these food truck builds, right? Everything is going to take longer than what you think. So build yourself a good chunk of time for grace period to help your blood pressure and help you deal with the stress of the delays. We all need more grace, and you want to make sure you give yourself enough grace period when it comes to this build. For me, I was, I guess, lucky enough, had enough foresight to build a couple of months into our build for grace, and it totally got eaten up because that's how it goes. There's so many moving parts to these mobile kitchens that if one thing is slowed up, it's attached to 2 or 3 other things, and it can kind of domino. So whether you're waiting on a generator, or you're waiting on a fire suppression, or maybe you're waiting on an inspection, or maybe you're waiting on a piece of equipment, some appliance, conduit. You never know what it is. There's so many things, little things that go into making one of these builds go smoothly, that you never know when the hiccup's going to come. Just know that it's definitely going to come somewhere. So I've only been through this once, but that would be my advice. I'm glad that I took it before I started, and I would pass it on to anybody else who's going through this, is definitely give yourself a lot of time before you start trying to take people's money or making bookings. We haven't done any of that stuff, and we didn't do any of that stuff before we had the truck in hand, because you don't need that extra stress and pressure. At least I don't. So I don't know how you deal with stuff, but for me, I don't need that extra grind. So if you like the videos, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our page, even sign up for the little notifications so you know when we're dropping more stuff. We will continue to drop these videos for the food truck build all the way up through our grand opening, but we'll also on our channel make sure that we're doing stuff that's kind of bar related, sports bar related, food related kind of videos on our page as well too. So make sure you check out our webpage at actionsportsbar.com and follow us on our social media platforms too. It's the best way to see what we're up to. Thanks for clicking. Enjoy the video. We'll see y'all around the bar or something. All right. Just popping this on right quick on my way to the train station. Early train down to Portland today to go check the status of the truck. See how things are going down there. Whole week has passed, so I'm guessing that there's some decent progress. I'm hoping there's some decent progress. So, yeah, I'll take some shots on the train and have a lot of video when I get down there. But before I go, I gotta pop in and get the bar set up. So, check yesterday's paperwork real quick. Return like 2 emails, and then hopefully be out of the door by 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I should be going by 6:45. So, yeah, hopefully the weather in Portland is better than it is up here right now because it's freezing and raining. Well, freezing and it's supposed to be raining. So, hopefully Portland's better. We'll see. I'll see when I get down there. Good Lord. Whew. All right, well, waiting on the train. Made it down to the station. Plenty of time. So, got a couple of minutes to get my mind right. Enjoy this beautiful sunshiny morning. About 7:30 now. Gonna hop on this train, another Wednesday. Go see how my baby doing down in Portland. Okay, I better go get up there, catch my train. I'll see y'all on the flip side. Is that us? Yeah, I have to go find out. I just saw a hood on that truck. I mean, I can see the fan extended where the hood is from the outside. That's how I should say it. I can see the exhaust fan for the hood. Somebody got a hood in on their truck back there, and fingers crossed, it's that action food truck. Concerned because you could see it getting exposed to the elements right now, but you gotta trust the process. And you know, for a Northwesterner, we already know how it is. I ain't tripping off no little bit of rain. I ain't tripping off no little bit of rain, huh? Anyways, inside the truck looks different, not crazy different from last week. They're working on electrical and plumbing will be next week, so we'll see a lot more. You know, you'll be able to see a lot more of what has actually happened, but a lot of stuff is right on track and working the way it's supposed to. The hood is over here chilling. The fan's on top of the roof, so progress. Coming down next week to see where we're at with all the plumbing and electrical. Following week is a big week because the truck is going in for the generator install. So I want to say that's the first week in May. So schedule-wise, we are tracking pretty well. So I'm not going to complain once the generator's in. Hooking up appliances is a lot of the way. Getting it wrapped, finishing touches. So very exciting. here is all part of the hood and vent system that's going to be going in. So I'll get that attached. Yeah, man, we just cruising along. I dig the vibe they got going in here today. Nice and chill. Jazz. It's good to work with professionals. Pay for what you get sometimes, though, and these guys have been great, but not cheap. So that's okay. I just paid with it with years of my life being stuck in Seattle. So fair enough trade. A little bit of debt ain't the worst thing in the world. So especially if it's an investment in yourself. That's the way I see it, or an investment in your own business. It's a better way to put it. So, yeah, nothing ventured, nothing gained. I'm gonna take the shot and see how it goes. I'm gonna see if I can catch them putting in this hot water heater. Yeah, good day. They're still working back there, finishing up the propane hot water heater and staying dry, working on inside stuff. I'm about to push on out of here, get my walk on, call me an Uber, and go grab some lunch. And no donuts today. The house, everybody told me not to bring any effing donuts back today, so I'm not bringing any effing donuts back. I'm gonna just go grab me some lunch at LaShawn. Actually, my homeboy Devin been posting about this place called Screen Door, so I think I might have to check them out. Look like diner food. I love to eat. I'm a fat kid, and I especially love to eat at new places that my friends recommend. So if you know some places and y'all holding out on me, don't do that. Don't do that. Tell me, because I'm a fat kid and I would love to go eat there. So make sure you share all your favorite fat kid spots. Especially if they're small-owned businesses, minority-owned businesses, women-owned businesses, I got you. Extra support. So, all right, that's enough of me. I'll see y'all at lunch, or maybe just walking around in Portland out in the effing rain. Is it spring yet? You sure as hell can't tell in the Northwest. That's for sure. Sure can't tell.